You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
David and Susanna Wilson were a retired couple from San Diego. They decided to move to Mumbai to be closer to their grandchildren. They were excited, but nervous about moving internationally for the first time. The SDC came up with a plan. First, an initial video consultation helped map out inventory and the goals of David and Suzanne. A shared container was picked for shipment for furniture, clothing, and keepsites, and an air freight for time-sensitive medical equipment and laptops. Full packing services using certified materials was used, and we offered storage in the U.S. while their Mumbai apartment was finalized. From day one, SDC's communication was impeccable. They worked with our daughter in India to coordinate final delivery. We didn't lift a finger. They even helped unpack and remove the debris. We offered dedicated relocation specialists, and we had transparent pricing and real-time tracking. There was sensitive handling of all personal and fragile items and flexible delivering schedule that matched the Wilsons' travel itinerary. Here's the takeaway for future movers. Engage early with your moving company. Be flexible with what you ship and trust a company that handles paperwork and customs. Let us help you write your success story. Schedule a personalized consultation with SDC International today and move forward with confidence. Call 877-339-0267 or visit us today to make your move to India effortless.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.